Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a 12-month lock update for my sister's locks, and I will be styling them because she really does not like when I style them, but I'm gonna see if she wants to style them. But yeah, guys, she's finally 1 year old. Well, her locks are, and she is so excited. So right now, before I wash her hair, I'm just going through her locks to see where I see any lint. Her hair is still filled with lint because she refuses to sleep with a bonnet. Still, you guys, she refuses. But I'm just going through her locks just to see if I can take out some superficial lint and just see where exactly is her most lintiest part, so that I can make sure I wash them really good when I do wash her hair. So we are going to start the retwisting process. Her hair did get a little dry because I went to go eat, so I'm just re-wetting her hair again, and then after that I'm going to put some oils, and then we're going to start the retwisting process. And for today, I'm going to be doing the double strand retwist because she really loves doing the double strand retwist, because when she takes it out, it's a little curly, so she likes that. So that's what I'm going to do, so you guys can just sit back and enjoy. So what I'm doing right now is trying to instant lock her hair so that she doesn't have so much flyaway, especially on the top of her hair. She has so much flyaway, so I'm trying to get those under control. So for the ones that I feel like needs it, I'm going to just combine all the flyaway hair and try to put them all into one lock. And that's basically what I'm doing. I'm basically crocheting the hair, like instant locking those hairs with the lock, so that it can just be in one locks and not just everywhere.